Good morning, Mega.
Hi, Shiv. Can you unmute yourself?
Yeah, I
Okay, you're
have
unmuted,
unmuted.
but yeah, I can hear you now. Yes. Hello.
So, yeah, so what are the plans for today?
So first of all, good morning, and it's good to see you after such a long time. Yeah. What are the plans for today? Is it? So it's too soon to ask because just now I had my breakfast and I don't have anything planned yet.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Yeah,
What about you?
even I slept yesterday late, so
Mhm.
even I woke up just few minutes ago.
Yeah, it's evident from your face, like you've swollen. Your eyes are swollen. So yeah. At least did you have your breakfast?
No, I didn't have my breakfast. I have some back-to-back session. After that, I will have.
Okay. I can see that here. So that's great. So for the entire day, you will be on Clappingo today, or you have any other podcast activities to do?
So morning I have clapping sessions, and evening I have some other work to do.
Okay. Any plans of going out for the weekend?
No, 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 not yet.
Okay, so I guess the weather is very good over there, na? Right
Yeah,
now?
it is.
Yeah.
I just saw when you asked.
Yes. So I am planning to, I thought of visiting Malpe probably next month or this month. No idea when. But all my cousins who are there in Mangalore right now, they're just calling me like, please come back. We can have a good time. So I'm just making a plan right now to see when I can go.
Yeah, definitely you should give it a go because
Yeah, correct. Now I need to give it a go. Hello. Yes.
hello.
So
Yeah,
your morning has started pretty late today, later than usual.
yeah, and I need to like plan my day after this.
Okay. Normally you do it a day before, right? Because you used to tell me that you make an Excel sheet the night before and you uh, decide what you'll do in each hour. So I guess you've not done that yesterday.
No, yesterday I was up to something different, and
Mm-hmm.
yeah, like I was like focusing on some website and stuff, and I didn't get time to do anything else.
Oh, okay. I get that. Quite a busy day then.
Yeah, it was.
Mm. So, uh, what is the difference between your weekdays and your weekends? Is there something different that you do on the weekend?
Right now there is no difference because
Mhm.
like it's kind of same for me as it's like I am into some internships, and it's like every day I have some or the other thing to do, and
Mhm.
especially on Sundays it's more compared to other day.
Hmm. Okay. So you're quite busier on the weekends more than the weekdays.
Yeah, because
Somehow.
in some of my internships,
Mhm.
even they focus on weekends because all are free during weekends. So
Mhm.
on weekend there is more work than weekdays.
Ah, okay. So do you like it that way, or would you want to change it?
No, for me, whatever
Mhm.
I am into, I like
Mhm.
that work. So I enjoy a whole day. Just whenever I want to like spend some time with my family, or I want to some free time,
Mhm.
I just ask them and go. They allow me.
Oh, that's nice. So then there's no hassle, right, of convincing people at home. No problems like that. You just tell them and they comply. They let you go.
Yeah, that's all.
Okay, fine, great. And do you have your friends and all coming over in the weekend? Maybe they help you with your work or something like that. If you have friends with similar interests.
Uh, so right now they are not coming, but yeah, I have one friend who used to come,
Mm-hmm.
who also used to come during the exam times, and
Okay.
uh, and we used to study together and talk
Mm-hmm.
late night and
Mm-hmm.
didn't sleep well.
Okay.
So yeah,
Okay.
like I enjoy time spending with them.
Oh, that's nice. That's great. And how many languages do you speak?
Uh, Konkani, English, Hindi, Kannada,
Okay.
and tried to speak more, but I didn't really focus on that. So it's four for
Okay.
me.
Okay. What about Tulu? Do you know Tulu?
Tulu I can understand, but I can't respond in a great way.
Okay, so I'll count Tulu also, okay, because you're able to understand. But sadly, that's not the case with me. My parents are very proficient in it, but I am not because I didn't grow up there, right? I didn't have that environment. So yeah, five languages, not bad. Even if you understand, also it's fine. It's okay. I'll count that too. So at home, it's Konkani only, right?
Yeah, it's Konkani. Yeah,
Mhm.
definitely.
Okay. So, is there any difference in your thoughts when you're thinking in your mother tongue versus when you're thinking in some other language? Is there a difference in the way you think?
Uh, my brain usually thinks in Konkani itself or
Mhm.
Kannada sometimes, but
Mhm.
right now I'm training it to think in English because all
Mhm.
my works are mostly in English, and
Okay.
I need to train it to think in English. So I'm working on that, and there is some difference. Like when I try to think in English, it's
Yeah.
it's kind of doing it for my sake because I am focusing
Okay.
on that and being
Mhm.
aware of that. But
Mhm.
normally it don't think in English. It doesn't think in English.
Okay. Normally, your mind is, yeah, it's very natural, by the way. Like, we are not accustomed to thinking in English ever since we are kids, right? Because we don't have that environment either at home. In school, very rarely. If the teachers are very strict, maybe then we used to speak in English, but not apart
Exactly.
from that.
And
Yeah.
hidden from teachers, we used to speak in Konkan.
Okay, fine. Did you have to pay any fine or write any detention in case the teachers caught you speaking a different language?
Yeah, I think I paid 50 rupees in my school days for speaking in other language.
Okay,
And
50
also
rupees
got
fine.
like beatings in my hand.
Oh, that's mean. They shouldn't have done that.
Yeah, right now there is like no beating and all because
Yeah,
now it's against the law, but in
yeah.
before it wasn't.
Yes, yes, true, true. And is there any international language or a foreign language that you want to learn?
It could be between German and Spanish.
Spanish and German. Okay, why these two?
Uh, Spanish is one of the highest spoken languages,
Mm-hmm.
and German has high scope. It seems. I
Mm-hmm.
just researched a bit.
Okay,
So
German.
between these two, I tried speaking in Spanish, but yeah, it's
Okay.
a bit hard for me. Both are hard, to be very honest. And yeah,
Okay, okay, that's
did
nice.
you
I think
try any?
Spanish. What?
Did you try any of them?
No, I have not. When I was in college, okay, my friends and I had this, sudden idea of trying to learn Spanish. We learned one or two words, and we got so excited, and then we just let it go. We just forgot about it. It
Yeah,
didn't. That
when you
moment.
start to learn something new, that
Yeah.
time the excitement will be there, but after 1 or 2 days, that will be gone.
Yes, yes, yes. We got so excited. Even just before the session, right? I was watching a video. It was about some restaurant in India. Okay, they've opened some restaurant here, and the name is Brote. The name of that restaurant. So the shop owner was explaining the meaning. It means outbreak in Spanish. Okay, because that shop they built it during the pandemic. Okay, because they needed a second source of income. So in this corona outbreak, they built that. So it's called as brote. It's like Spanish. Okay, that's the one word I can tell you in Spanish. Nothing else.
Yeah. And are you still like planning to learn Spanish?
Yes, I keep thinking about it, but I need to make time. Okay, I need to make a proper timetable if I have to learn it. So yeah. What about you?
I might learn any one extra language like Spanish or
Mhm.
German. I not decided it because right now my time is bit like bu- I have a busy schedule.
Yes, yes, yes. I can see that. So fine, that's nice. And do you like you are learn? You said you know Hindi and English and all that. So these are not our native languages, right? It's like a foreign language to us. So are there any tricks or tips that you have to remember vocabulary? Because I have seen most people just memorizing words, but that is not useful. So do you have any tips so that people can learn vocabulary faster?
No, I think I didn't learn it by practicing any vocabulary or anything, but
Mm-hmm.
I think from past few years, like
Mm-hmm.
2 to 3 years at least,
Mm-hmm.
I've been massively consuming podcast, YouTube videos,
Mm-hmm.
and many more things which are in English, and
Okay.
also watched movies in Hindi,
Okay, fine.
and
Hmm.
that's why like initially I was able to understand Hindi, and later I was able to respond in Hindi.
Okay, that's pretty cool. I think that's one of the best methods actually, listening and learning, right?
Yeah,
Application over memorization. So you listen and you speak it out again, so that way you'll remember it for quite a long time, even if it's new to us. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay,
And
that's nice.
even in English, before I
Mm-hmm.
didn't used to understand some foreign accents, but I think watching too much videos and podcast,
Mm-hmm.
I think that helped me to understand any kind of accents.
Okay, okay, that's nice because for me, which accent is hard for you to understand? Like which one you
American English.
American English. Okay, okay, fine. And you started watching a lot of American English content, and that problem was overcome.
Yeah, like I didn't, but I can still understand American English. Just I need patience and I should listen it with the attention.
Mm. Yeah, yes. Okay. For me, British accent is always a tough nut to crack because I find it, I have to, listen to it a lot of time, just even if it's a simple sentence and if they speak it very fast, right? It becomes very hard for me to comprehend what they just told because they roll their R's too much and everything ends with an I feel. Uh,
Uh,
water, like that. So, yeah, British accent is difficult. Okay, fine. And imagine you're going to get some good news, okay? If you are about to get a good news, how would you rather receive it? Would you receive it in the form of a call or in the form of a message?
in if in form of meeting would be possible, I would prefer that. But
Mm-hmm.
other than that, call would be better.
Call would be better. Okay, more than a message or a written thing, you would rather have that speaking version, like spoken
Yeah,
version. Okay, great. So tomorrow,
because
if
that
you're
time
idle,
even they can see our excitement and everything.
true, true. So if it's a new assignment or if you're meeting your idol on your podcast or something, so if they give you a call, then you will be over the moon, right? If you listen
Yeah,
to them.
definitely.
Okay, great. And yeah, your vocabulary has improved so much, Shiv. To be honest, it's amazing, especially the way you're using adjectives, right? It's massively helped me or use that word, no?
Hmm.
So your vocabulary has improved a lot. I'm so happy to see that. And today, when you said it's one of the most spoken languages, even the one of the you used it in the correct context, like the languages you used it properly. So yeah, I'm happy to see that you're taking all your feedback and you're working on it. So great. That's one best thing.
Yeah, thank you so much.
Yeah. Okay. And you are a pet person, right? You have a cat and you adore her. Yeah.
Yeah, I love
Multiple.
cat.
Yeah. So do you think that animals also communicate in their own secret language? For us, it's gibberish, but for them?
Yeah, yeah. In my family,
Hmm.
except me and my dad,
Hmm.
my parents think us as crazy because we speak in their language.
Okay. You mew back to the cat.
We talk back to cat, and
Mhm.
even that understand, and that whenever that cat sees me or my dad,
Mhm.
it immediately runs towards us.
Oh. So probably you've mastered their language. That is why they come running to you.
Yeah, from my childhood, I have mastered at least cat language, not dog, because we
Okay.
had cat from a long time.
Okay, okay, I get that. So it happens without our knowledge, right? When we are talking to a kid or if we are talking to our pets. So there's a shift in our attitude, in our the way we speak, right? There's a subconscious shift. We don't realize it, but it just happens.
So in my case, I
Mhm.
used to be very angry at sometimes, or pretty much like upset
Mhm.
sometimes, and still when my cat comes and touches its head to my leg and tells,
Mhm.
"Give me food," like everything will be gone from my mind for at least some minutes,
Okay, fine.
and
So you
my focus will be only towards that cat and how to love it more.
no, that's so sweet. Animals have that effect, especially when you mention when they brush their head against our
Like,
arms or our legs. It feels very sweet. Yeah. Okay, that's cool. So do you plan on, having more pets in the future?
yeah, right
Mhm.
now I can only imagine having more cats, but
Mhm.
maybe I might have dog or some other pet.
Okay. So let's imagine that you have this sudden superpower of understanding what every animal is, okay, every animal sound is like. If you are able to break that code, okay. So, and now you understand what animals are speaking, what birds are speaking. Would you keep this a secret or would you tell this to everyone?
If I tell this to everyone, like they will catch me and take me to understand all the animals in the world, including zoo and other places. So I think I prefer keep it a secret.
Okay, we'll keep the secret.
Yeah, I
And
might
what
become a government property then.
you'll become a national sensation. Forget about government property. You'll become a national sensation.
Yeah, and yeah, that's bit. I will lose all of my freedom, and I don't want that.
Okay, fine. And if you could choose between speaking all the languages in the world and speaking to animals, between these two,
It's
uh,
a direct go to animals. There
directly,
is
no thinking, no wasting time on thinking.
because I love cats. I love animals, and I would like to have a talk with them.
Okay, fine. So animals make better friends than humans, right?
Always.
Yeah, true. So fine. I think our session will disconnect in a couple of seconds. Shall I meet you after this? I'll disconnect this.
Yeah, yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, yeah, sure.